Students, welcome to Vestige Tamila. I'm going to explain you about how to use this Vestige POS app. Just open the app. It will be asking for ID and password. You can enter your distributor ID and you can enter your password. After that, you will be getting dashboard like this. And each and every option I'm going to explain you shortly. First, go to the order option. This order option is to make order every month. You can able to order here. Order your products, whatever the products which you want, you can able to order here. And you have two options here. One is self, another one is courier. If you choose self option, you have to go directly to the shop and you can take your products. So this is the self option. But if you choose courier option, you will be getting all the order delivery to your home itself. So you can select courier and you see the address whether it is correct or not. After that, click order and it will be asking for additional mobile number if you have. If you are having, just enter it. If not, click proceed. And it is going now. And here you will be having all categories of items. In category wise, it will be given skin care, home care, personal care. Like that, you will be having all these things. See, these are agricultural products, air purifier objects, products, and Ayurveda. Then business tools, color cosmetics, health food items, health supplements. Then home care, men's grooming, then oral care, personal care, premium skin care. All these items you could able to view it. Now when you select the all categories, you can able to type what are the things you need to purchase. See, you can able to type soap means soap. You can type it here and you can select. Now the soap is not in stock, so we'll go to next option. Now I'm going to search for cooking oil, and that is Lighthouse rice bran oil. So I'm making it as one. So that one product is added to the cart. Now next one, I'm going to purchase detergent powder. Yes, one detergent powder I have selected. And dishwash, yes, one dishwash I selected. And then next one, and I'm going to whatever the things I want, so I'm going to select it here. Now see, and next I'm going to do it floor cleaner. So this is floor cleaner I've selected. So likewise it is added here, and you could see your PV points, how much PV points you reached. So you can check it here and you can see your cart amount. Now still it is not reached 30 PV, so I'm going to add some other. So toilet cleaner also I'm adding. Okay, I've added one toilet cleaner. Now my PV is increased to 27. And the next one I'm going to add is toothpaste. Next one I'm going to add a toothpaste and toothbrush. Okay, toothpaste, all are here, and one more brand I am selected. See, now my PV is 34. Now I'm going to check my cart. So it is going on, loading. You can able to check how much it is. And if you are purchasing more than 75 rupees, you can able to add promotions voucher. You can pay 1 rupee only for the 65 rupees worth toothpaste. So I can select that. Now I'm going to proceed. Any one I can select. Okay. So this is complexion bar. This is a soap complexion bar, and that is also 1 rupee. And this is toothpaste. This is also 1 rupee. Now I selected toothpaste. Now I'm going to proceed. So here you could check that this toothpaste cost is only 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is added here. Now 1100 rupees. So now I'm going for proceed. After that, you will see here your order confirmation. You will see your address whether it is right, and you have to select only online payment is available. So you have to select here and your amount will be placed here, and you have to finally click place order. That's all. After placing order, it will be asking for confirmation. So it is loading. which branch I'm going to get the delivery. So that contact number also given. So I'm clicking now. Now it is coming out. Now I'm going to pay for my order. How to pay? So now select my order. After selecting that, today what are the things I've ordered? So it is confirmed here. So that 1100 rupees order is placed here, and I'm going to pay it. So I'm going to select this check box. Now see the pay option, 1100 rupees is added. Now see, I'm going to select it. Now it is going to the payment gateway, and if you have courier charges, it will be asking for courier charge, and you can able to enter yes or no. If you don't want courier charge, you can directly go to shop and you can purchase. So it is loading. Now it is going to the payment gateway. Yes, it is asking for courier charge 65 rupees. For the total purchase, I'm going to pay 65 rupees for my delivery. So I'm giving yes. Now it is going to the payment gateway. You can able to pay for your products order in many ways. So click pay. After that, it will be asking for Paytm payment, and you can add your debit card details here, and you can pay through credit card here, and you can pay through net banking. So any one option, if you choose it, it will be asking for OTP and CVV number. You have to enter it. After that, your payment will be confirmed and your order will be invoiced. So you'll be getting the delivery within 2 days to your home. So these two options you will be clear. Now come to the add distributor. When you select this add distributor, if you want to add your friend, if you want to activate an ID for your friend, and after telling all the details, they are willing to join, so you can select this option. You have to enter your upline ID. You have to enter your upline ID. Upline ID is your ID under whom you are going to place them. You have to write that upline ID, and you have to make it validate. Now I'm writing my upline ID, and that is I've entered. I'm validating, and it is telling my name. And you have to select your country, and you have to choose one downline ID for them. It will be giving option. It will be giving option. So choose any one fancy number to your friend, and you can give it, and you can add a title, and you can enter the first name, last name, date of birth, mobile number, then email ID, correct email ID, and the gender and the spouse. If the person is married, you can give their husband name or wife name here, and you can give the address correctly, and then click save. That's all. So after clicking save, one ID will be sent to that person through the text message, and they can able to receive distributor ID and password. So this is add distributor, and you can able to upload the distributor application form in this option. So if you click here, you can able to upload DAF form for yourself. If you select self, you can place for yourself, and if you select downline, you can place for any downline. You can do in your mobile itself for them, and you have to upload signed ID proof here, and you have to upload signed DAF form here. So all these details I will be explaining in another video. You can check it. Now come to the next option, KYC verification. So any ID you can able to select, and they can able to, for example, I'm giving my number, validate, and if you validate it, it will be showing your name. After that, document type, which document you are going to attach, Aadhaar or PAN card, you can write it, and you can write the document number, Aadhaar number, voter ID number, license number, any number is called as the document number, and choose the photocopy of that image, and then click save. So KYC will be verified. Now come to the logout option. That's all. You can able to log out. So this is the Vestige POS app. It's a main app where you can refer many people, and you can add under your downline. Okay, you can do help for your friends also, your downline also.